Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use advanced filtering in Excel sheet. If you need a filter for something specific, basic filtering may not give you enough options. Fortunately, Excel includes the several advanced filtering tools, including date, test, number. That's it. Let's see how to use this different advanced filtering option. Okay. Just this is my data. I just filter this data. I already filter it. Just I show you how to filter it. Just select the data. You can select any cell and just click on data tool and just click on you can filter. You can see here all data is filtered. Okay. If I want to go on date filter, just select on. You get the several option to see the data. Okay. If I want yesterday data, just click on yesterday. You get only yesterday data. Okay. If I want last month data, you just select it, you get last month data. In this data not available last month data, therefore it is filter it empty. Okay, you can see here. If you want today's data, you can see here its filter is today's data. Okay, this is for date filtering. There is a second one is for number filtering. You can filter the numbers. Just click on that. You can get here the number filter. Here also have a several option. You can choose those you want. Just I select the ones does not equal to 100, is less than 250. I can select is greater than 100, less than 250. You can see here the less than 250 available all and greater than 100 amount is filter it. This is a way to filter in Excel. Okay, that's it. Thank you.